This is a gecko, and this is a gecko compared to an iguana. And this is an iguana compared to a porcupine. This is a porcupine compared to a tiger, and this is a tiger compared to you. This is you compared to a kangaroo, and a kangaroo to an ostrich. Here's an ostrich to a rhino, and just for fun, a lion and a bluefin tuna. Now here's a rhino compared to an African elephant, and an African elephant compared to a giraffe. Now things are getting big. Here's a giraffe compared to a dolphin, a narwhal, and an orca. And here's that same orca compared to a humpback whale, which is around 49 feet long. And now here's the humpback whale compared to a small blue whale because I couldn't fit an adult on the screen.